Welcome to ANP Heating and AC, your trusted family-owned HVAC expert serving the Puget Sound area. With over 8 years of experience, we provide furnace and AC installation, repair, maintenance, water heaters, ductless systems, duct cleaning, and 24/7 emergency service. Why choose us? No upfront payments, our fixed rate promise, and satisfaction guaranteed. Plus, enjoy special discounts for military and first responders. Visit anpheatingandac.com today. ANP Heating and AC, comfort, quality, and care you can count on.